$1,000. That's right.
Winning.
So, if you guys are confused, because it is kind of a confusing title, if she uses her hands, then I win. So,
what hands? I don't even have hands.
I'd be the last one using my hands. So, yeah. Alright, guys, let's get straight on into the video. Yo!
Alright, contestants. For the first slime you're making, you're gonna be making butter slime.
Butter slime?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Now!
Alright, guys, to make butter slime, we need glue, clay, and activator. And that's basically it. Now,
are you using your hands to count?
No.
Okay.
So, for butter slime, we need clay, glue, and activator, and then the rest are extras. So, then we're gonna need some food coloring and some extras. So, yeah, let's do this. Okay, first we're gonna need some glue. Guys, I don't know if I should make the slime or if I should just get the already made slime and then add clay into it.
I can hear you.
No, you can't. Just go and get your ingredients.
Yeah. No.
What?
You're making it from scratch. Thank you.
What are the rules?
You gotta make it from scratch.
Dang it! First, I gotta get some glue.
I got clay.
Okay, got a gallon of Elmer's school glue. We're gonna use that. Then I need some clay. I'm gonna
Buy clay.
get this.
You're not taking my
I'm
clay.
gonna get the shell case so I don't have to put food coloring.
I heard that.
No, you didn't. Okay, and then I'm gonna get some glitter because we need some glitter. I'm gonna get this silver glitter. I think that's it.
I think I'm gonna change this to a color one so I don't use food coloring. I'm gonna grab some glue if I can.
Alright, I'm taking my stuff.
I want some foam beads. Actually, I want colorful ones. This one's better. Alright.
Alright, guys, let's do this.
Yes.
Okay, so I got my glue. You gotta just unscrew that.
I don't
This is
think
terrible.
I can do this.
Mom, why do you have clear glue?
It's not clear. You scared me.
Oh, I got it. I'm winning this challenge, but I'm never gonna use my hands. Wow, you really take hands for granted. There, I got it. All right, let's do this. Let's put some glue in here. Yeah, that's enough. Oh! I almost dropped it. Okay, now we get the activator.
I can't open this.
Get our fork. What did you just say? Now it's 6. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. Oh, you need some help? What the heck? Hey, that's my glue.
Hey, thank you, Mira. This is getting fun now that I have glue. Oh, God. Never mind.
You know what? I think I need some lotion. I'm getting some lotion. Got it. Okay. Just getting it on the box. There we go. Okay. Okay, we can do this. I can do it. All right. This is gonna be really hard, guys.
I'm done with this box.
Yeah, we should just put it on the table. Good idea, Mom. I almost got my slime made already, Mom. Got my slime already made, almost. Oh gosh, it's all over my hand.
All right, this is super hard. My shirt.
Activate.
I can't do this.
Okay, I can do it. I can do it. Mom, you should probably just quit now because I'm obviously gonna win.
Whatever. I'm not a quitter. I'm winning this. You already copied me.
How?
Put it on the table.
Well, yeah, well, you used my glue.
So, that doesn't mean you have to copy me. I never would copy you. Not even on the clay. Changing color.
My slime is already literally made.
Well, mine too. Look at that. Ugh, the shirt.
Mom, you should just give up. I'm gonna win, obviously.
Never.
Okay. Alrighty, now I'm gonna add some glitter.
Okay, how do I open this? That's the question. I can't open this.
I got it. Okay. I just put the glitter in there. Perfecto. Mix that in. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice.
I can't do this.
Alrighty. And then I gotta put my clay now. Okay, so how did you open this, Mom?
I haven't opened it. Okay, this clay is very weird. Very spongy.
All right, let's do this. Yes, it's working. Clay matches my shirt.
I feel like we're having like a fight or something with the slime right now. All right, I'm gonna put my foam beads to make it all nice and colorful. If I can open this. Oh.
I'm almost done. Just have these sides to get. I can't get them.
I think I wanna put it all. Uh-oh. Foam beads are going everywhere.
Gosh, Mom. Foam beads is not a good idea to put in butter slime. I think I'm gonna put more glitter.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
I'm done and I'm ready for ASMR. Guys, here's my slime, my butter slime. We have some nice glitter all over.
I'll be the judge of very nice butter slime or not.
That's my slime. What do you think, Paul?
I think it looks great, but let's see what Jetta has.
Thanks.
This is my slime. Super, super buttery.
Well, from the looks of it, I prefer yours.
Yay!
Why?
I like the foam beads in the butter slime. It gives it originality and I love it.
What about my sparkles?
The feeling is about the same. For slime making, I say Jetta wins!
Dang it! Okay, you guys comment down below who you thought won this round, and let's get on to the next one.
Alright, for round 2, guys, you guys are gonna be making fluffy slime. Since you guys made this round look so easy, I'm gonna have a little bit of spicing up. First of all, you have to clean your area without your hands, obviously.
How?
And challenge starts now. Good luck.
How am I supposed to do this, Paul?
That's how I did it.
But mine's like all sticky.
Mine was sticky too.
This is even worse. I can't do it.
Contestants, go get your ingredients. Go.
Okay, run. I already had the glue over there. Now all I need is shaving cream. Okay.
I'm gonna grab some yellow paint.
Okay. All right. And I'm gonna get paint too.
All right. I'm done. I think I'm done. Can I start now?
Yep, you can start if you're ready.
Yay! No!
I wish I could pause you right now for when you paused me. You're behind, Ameerah.
Yeah, I don't care. Okay, I got it.
Oh,
okay.
This is so hard.
Glue. Alright. Okay. Okay, I got my shaving cream.
It seems a little too easy right now for you guys.
Not easy.
Let me step it up a notch.
No! Ah! What the heck? No!
Make it all slippery for you.
Ah!
There you go.
Oh.
How am I supposed to do this?
Thank you, Paul.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh.
Yeah.
She's very smart.
Thank you.
I'm gonna
You are so sweet.
Actually, let me help you guys a little bit.
I don't care. I'm gonna figure out. I did it.
I don't even think I have slime.
Oh, no. I got it all right hands. Okay, now I gotta get my color in. Oh, thank God. Okay. Perfecto! Mix it all together. Mix. Do the hokey pokey. Oh, whoa.
Seems like Ameerah's in the lead.
Yay!
I'm gonna have to do something about that.
No! Don't, Paul. Don't. No.
Here you go, Ameerah.
No! Paul! If my slime doesn't go back together.
Alright, I'll be fair.
No!
There you
You
go.
just helped her. Her slime is too overactivated.
You guys can use your hands, you know?
No,
Stop
never.
No. Don't, Paul. No, come on, no.
Here's some more. Here's some on the table.
Paul, why do you have to do this to us? I'm not using my hands. I don't care.
I guess you guys have to start from zero, from scratch again. If you use your hands, you can go a little quicker.
That's true, but they also lose the challenge. So I'm not gonna use my hands. Oh, I'm sorry, Paul.
Oh, really? Oh, That was bad, Ameerah. I had to clean the lens.
Sorry.
You destroyed my slime.
Yeah, Paul. Look, it's all watery and stuff now.
You gotta start from scratch again.
Why would you do that, Paul? Mom can't even remake her slime.
What, you mean this? I think that slime looks splendid. I think she wins this round.
Are you serious? It took me so much to make this. Did you at least do our ASMR?
Yes.
Okay. Beautiful, right?
I love it.
It's got a nice color, very nice and fluffy. Oh my gosh, my instinct is to poke this and to crunch it, but like, I gotta win this challenge.
Yeah, this challenge is not about who makes the best slime. It's about who uses their hands.
Yeah, I think we should like test out my slime too. See, it's nice.
Yeah, you know, you could have fixed that probably.
Yeah, we can do ASMR on it too. Look, it's, what do you mean fix it? It's perfect. What are you talking
Paul.
about?
Oh, right, my
Look.
bad. Alright, well, good luck on your next challenge because you're gonna have to clean that up. The third challenge is you have to make cloud cream slime. Good luck.
Oh gosh!
Go get your ingredients, contestants. Go!
How do I clean this?
Okay, so I need some instant snow, and there's glue over there, and I need paint. All right, let's do this. Okay.
I need some instant snow, and I have glue over there. And did I just sound like Ameerah?
I'm gonna take.
Okay.
I'm gonna take.
Have it here.
Take this. No, this. And I'm gone. I'm done.
I think I'm good. Jeez, this is hard to carry. All right, let's go.
Okay. First, I gotta get this slime off.
Well, I just dropped mine all over
Oh
here.
my gosh, Mom! There's a mess all over the floor.
Well, what did you want me to do? I tried to put it on the bucket and the container, and it kind of fell.
Yeah, clearly, Mom. Oh my gosh.
What a mess now.
Okay, I'm gonna start making that slime.
My turn.
Okay, here you go. So, usually I would make the slime first and then put the activator, but I think I might just put the powder in that right now. All right, activator now.
Oh, I'm doing great.
I can't open this, guys. How do I open it? I got it. I got it. All right, we'll put the powder.
Ameerah, it seems like you need some help. Here you go. Here you go.
Again, Paul?
Why are you gonna do that, Paul?
I'm helping you out. I think you also need some lotion. Here's some lotion.
Yeah.
Your turn.
No.
Lotion.
Paul,
I'm winning this challenge, Paul. There's nothing you can do.
I'm winning the challenge. There's nothing anyone can do. Oh, God, my clothes.
I have a really nice green color right here.
No,
You
stop.
can easily stop this by grabbing the bottle.
No, I can punch the bottle.
Oh, sure.
Stop.
You can grab it and spray it back at me.
No,
You want
come
to?
on. Yeah, I'll take it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Dang it! It doesn't spray. Alrighty, I'm gonna activate mine. Yay.
All right.
Oh my gosh, I keep wanting to use my hands. Guys, I don't know my cloud cream is going too well. It's not very stringy. Okay, well, I'm done with mine. This is actually
Wait. I need to
super
put
easy.
my snow on mine. Wait. I can't open my snow.
My slime is not stretchy.
I'm gonna put my snow now.
Those were my buttons!
This clearly says snow.
Yeah, but I mean, it'd be a waste if I wasted all my containers.
Here's a little bit of the activator.
No.
Just use your hands, you know, and catch up.
Paul!
Hey, I'm being fair. I'm doing it to both of you.
I was done with my cloud cream. Paul, now my cloud cream is all melted.
Well, it looks better than before. You're welcome.
What is this? Again, Paul?
Jeez, Jay, if this is the second time that happened to you, I might disqualify you. I don't think you can fix this.
Of course I can fix it. I'm an expert at fixing slime. Watch this.
Wait a minute. Did you
You used your hands.
No, what hand?
Yes, you did.
No,
you
no,
used your hands.
no,
We didn't
no,
repeat
no,
that. We didn't replay.
I didn't. You guys saw wrong.
No, you used it. Wait, why am I still using this? I can use my hands now. Yes, I won. I won. Yeah, guys. Thank goodness. I couldn't do it any longer. My hands were starting to sweat and they were annoying me. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Alright guys, so I guess I want the money. Alright, This is my grass. It's very nice. And there's...
guys, I just gotta say that it's so nice to be able to use your hands.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Wait, well, I want to fix it now.
Alright guys, you guys caught all the who's you thought what, and that is exactly so much. I hope I see you guys next time. Bye!